9 minus 3, that gives us 6, multiplied by 4, divided by 8. Here, 6 times 4, that gives 24, divided by 8. Lastly, 24 divided by 8, that gives 3. This answer is wrong. As such, this first approximately is completely wrong. Don't make this mistake. Now, to get this right, we are going to have this 9 minus 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 8. Here, we are going to consider this order of operation PEMDAS. Right in this expression, we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents, we have multiplication and we have division, no addition, and we have subtraction. Now, following this order, we are going to consider first multiplication, because from here multiplication is of higher priority than division and subtraction. And the operation here is from left to right. We move from left to right, and now we consider this, and the expression becomes 9 minus 3 times 4, that gives 12, divided by 8. Now, next, we are going to consider division, because from here, division is of higher priority than subtraction. And in that case, here we are going to apply KCF. We are going to use this, which means keep, change, and flip. Therefore, we are going to keep this first value, which is 12, and we change the sign to multiplication, and we flip it. Therefore, the expression becomes 9 minus 12 multiplied by 1 all over 8. And right here, we are going to have 9 minus here. Let us reduce this fraction to its lowest term. 4 will go here 2, and 4 here 3. And here becomes 3 times 1, that to give us 3 all over 2. Now we subtract this fraction. We subtract fraction from a whole number. We are going to multiply 2 by 9, and the expression becomes 2 times 9, that gives us 18. Now minus 3 all over 2. Then this is also equivalent to, we subtract the numerator, 18 minus 3, that will give us 15 all over 2. Then right here, to simplify this further, you are going to have this improper fraction. We change it to mixed fraction. We are going to have 7 and 1 over 2. If we take it to decimal, we have 7.5. And this is the correct answer of this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.